Hello children, welcome back to Learning Online with Ronita. Well, today we are back after a long time and we are back with another chapter from Living English, which is chapter number 7, Save the Earth. Let's start. Now, before we begin children, there is something that we need to do. Let's start this. Kush and his brother are planting a sapling in their garden. Take the things they should do to keep their garden clean and green. Let's start then. So let's start ticking. The first one, water the plants regularly. Tick. Is it correct? Yes, we should always do this, isn't it? The next one now, remove dry leaves. Okay, again tick. Next is pluck pretty flowers. Well, no, this we should never do, so we will not tick that. Next one, place the plants in sunlight. Yes, the plants need warmth. So yes. Next is use natural manure. Manure is something which we use to increase the fertility of the soil. So that is a yes, correct, tick. Let the weeds grow. Weed means poisonous plants which are harmful for the tree. So we should not do this. Okay. Now let's move on and start the chapter. Okay. Now the students of class 3 put up an interesting show on Earth Day. You know what is Earth Day, I suppose, children? Earth Day is celebrated. Why is it celebrated? Because we have to show the importance of our planet, okay, to the others, and we need to save that. We need to show others the importance of our planet and the conservation of our planet. Why do we need to save the planet from the harmful effects? Okay, so let's read the chapter and let's understand what is given in the chapter. The students of class 3 put up an interesting show on Earth Day. Read on to find out what they do. So let's start. Miss Karnik has some important news. Children, I have exciting news. We'll have a fancy dress show on 22nd April, which is celebrated as Earth Day. You can dress up as a tree, a cloud, or an animal and talk about yourself. Fancy dress! What fun! So what happened, children? Here Miss Karnik was a teacher, the class teacher of class 3. She came in with an important news. What was the news? The news was this, that they were going to celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April. And for that they were organizing a fancy dress competition for the children. And she's saying you can dress up as a tree, a cloud, or an animal and talk about yourself. That means that they can, dress up as anything which represents something or the other from the mother nature, the earth, and then speak about them. So the children were very excited. The children talk about what they can dress up as. How will I look as a homeless tiger? I can dress up as a plastic bottle and talk about recycling. So now the children are very excited. They are discussing what they'll be and how they'll look. It is Earth Day. The hall is filled with parents and teachers. Class 3 proudly presents the Earth Day parade. Our students will tell us how to care for our planet. So now the announcement is made and she's saying that the students are going to speak about this particular thing. Now let's move on to the next page. Let's turn. Arvind Gopalan walks on stage, nervous but excited. I am a bus. Use me instead of car. Reduce pollution, prevent traffic jams, save money. So, Arvind Gopalan walks on stage and he's very nervous but excited. So, when you know what is nervous and what is excited, nervous is a feeling that you get before you do something, like before appearing for the exam, isn't it? Next is excitement, the same thing you feel when you are sitting for your favorite subject exam, isn't it? So nervous but excited. Now he's saying I'm a bus. Okay, now he's a bus. He's become a bus in the fancy dress competition, where he's saying that we should use bus more than the cars because it reduces pollution, prevents traffic jam, and also saves a lot of money. Now Shabnam Khan talks about how to save electricity. I am a light bulb. Switch me off when you leave the room. Save electricity, save energy. So now Shabnam has become an electric bulb and she is saying that whenever you leave the room, children, this is very important. Whenever you're leaving the room, you should always switch off the lights and fans. This saves a lot of energy, also saves a lot of money. Okay, so it saves electricity, saves energy, and also saves money, definitely. Udit Sinha tells us how to recycle waste. I am a waste bin. We can recycle newspapers. By recycling them, each family can save 2 trees every year. Recycle and save our earth. What happens is that now, children, you already know that paper is made from trees. We cut trees and make paper. So we should always recycle papers in order to save the trees, because if trees are not there, we will be suffering the most. Teresa speaks on how to save tigers. I am a tiger. The forest is my home. People cut forest for their needs, so it is difficult to find food. Please save forest and tigers. Definitely, if suppose today our house is broken, that would be very bad, isn't it? So we should save tigers and we should save the forest. We should not cut down trees and save forest so that we can save tigers, because if tigers are not there or any animal is not there, we would be creating one imbalance in nature, in the ecosystem. Clear? So this part is clear, children, I suppose. Now let's move on to the next page. Let's turn. Okay, now Binita Tuki wants us to save trees. I am a tree. I give you clean air, fruits and medicines. You cannot live without me. Please save me. Definitely we should always save trees, because without trees we cannot survive. It gives us oxygen, isn't it? Now, Jamshed Nariman speaks about water pollution. I am water. People dump rubbish in rivers and oceans. They also waste a lot of water. Please use me wisely. Children, very recently we had gone through very severe water scarcity, isn't it? We already know that water is becoming lesser day by day, and we should save water. So here also this Jamshed Nariman is saying the same thing. He is saying that he's become water and people dump waste products in rivers and oceans, which is very bad. They also waste a lot of water. We should always use water wisely, otherwise one day we will never have water for drinking. All the children sing together. The parents and teachers clap and cheer. Every day is Earth Day. Whether it's cold or wet or hot, let us work to save our planet. It's only one we've got. Okay, so children, that's it for today. I hope you understood the chapter, and if you have any confusion, let me know through the comment section. Also, you can get in touch with me through email. My email ID is given already. Also, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay updated by pressing the bell icon. That's it for today. We will be meeting again soon. Till then, lots of love. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.